Yo, what up YouTube Ex? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Using Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right now from another company. Here's the box right here. The name of the product is basically coming from a company called Sopiguard. Yeah, the name is like horrendous. They got good skins. If you see my previous video from my ROG Ally, you see how I had the texture skins on it. I am going to rebuy another one for this one right here from ROG Ally X. I do love their skins. They have a skin that basically have like a particular texture on it. It's the same one from here, but this one he told me that it doesn't have the texture. I'm kind of like disappointed with it, but hey, what can you say? It's a free product. Can't go back. Also, you notice that the tape is left up on here. That was actually from my doing, and you guys need to go out and buy you guys one of these. What is this? This is a hot air gun. I got the one basically with the knob. I was going to get the one that basically had the temperature dials to tell me exactly how much the temperature is, but this is a hot air gun. You need one of these if you're going to do unboxings to get labels off, get the tape off, or if you're doing type of unboxings and stuff like that, you're going to need this to keep the skins on here, put it on a smaller temperature. And also, like I said, you need this for these type of skins. Like if you get a D brand skin or a slip wrap skin or something from eXtremeRates or whatever it may be, you need one of these for the edges and stuff like that. This does come off. As you can see, you can put this on. It comes with extra tools and stuff like that. One for heat and scraper, things like that. Why am I promoting this in this video? Is because you will need this to put the skins on this. So yeah. Get you one of these. They got cheaper ones. The cheaper ones is a little bit more better. The reason why I got this one is because this one helps me with soldering also. So when I need to remove things off of motherboard and stuff like that, I can get the solder off, or I can use this to actually melt the solder on top of it. But no further ado, you already know what I do. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So to be honest, since the gun that I just showed you already did what it did with this, I don't need to cut the box and anything else like that. So yeah, so here's the product for the Switch 2. Oh yes, I love these. And like he said, this one doesn't have the texture. I wish it had the texture on here, boy. I wish it had the texture on here. I wish it had the texture. So man, I love these. Here we go. Man, I really wish this had the texture on here. Oh, this is even better. The cutout for it. So to be honest, eXtremeRate, play viral, guys. Damn, bro. Damn. Dude, Martin Lawrence. So this one is actually kind of better. I like this. Then you got this part for the Joy-Cons, and oh my god. So that's this part right here. They got the full wraparound for the Joy-Cons, everything. Goes all the way to the back. Then you got the one for the dock. Oh my lord. Oh my god. This is why I love this. I wish they had the texture on here, man. I do love this Damascus on my ROG, I'm sorry, on my Nintendo Switch. But like anytime you buy something from eXtremeRate, they do give you two. So I do have an extra one of these. I do have D brand skins coming also. That has the Warzone one. I don't know. I do want that Warzone here, but I'm gonna spend the next couple of hours rocking with this. This is gonna probably stay on permanently. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I might have to buy some extra Joy-Cons just to put the skins on it and keep it on there directly. I mean, that's my option right now, because that Warzone one, I don't know. Alright guys, it's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, only using Tomahawks. Remember, live it, love it, gaming, peace and deuces, and I'll catch you guys later. I am not going to do an installation on this because it takes too long to try to get all the stuff done. I did it before with this, and it was horrendous, basically with this part right here, and yeah, I'm not going through that again. And this is a full body, everything, so everything's like, just literally plug it in, put it on and go from there. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces one. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna have all this completely put up. So this is not the end of the video. Just because you hear my outro right now, it's not over. Just stay tuned to the end of the video. But I'm out for right now. Let's switch it over to the next part of the video. Peace. Okay guys, so I'm back. So let's look at the actual brand, everything on here. I love Sopiguard skins. Like y'all know, I had it on my RG Ally. I'm gonna put it back on my RG Ally X. I was trying to find the other skin that I had for the RG Ally X that showed the texture on it, but I can't find it. It's somewhere in here. I just gotta look for it. But this is basically what it looks like. So as you can see right there, basically right here, the sticker parts right there, you could put these extra sticker parts on it. If you want to go, you know, naked with it, you don't have to put it on it. You use the regular Nintendo Switch decals that's basically sketched onto it. Or if you want it to pop out, you could just throw the little Sopiguard stickers on here, as you can see right here. Sorry if I'm butchering your name. It's hard to say your name. The name of it is actually called Sopiguard. So yeah. So that was a nice texture they have on it. They actually have it on multiple parts, also like on the dock. So let me show you the dock. Same thing with the dock. You basically got to put these on here. As you can see right there, you can just remove it off if you want to just go with the standard Nintendo Switch logo tool that has the cutout on it, and just use their gray and black part on it, or you can just put theirs on it, which makes it pop out. Just this thing is beautiful. I love Sopiguard skins like that. So let's pop this off real quick. Just show you how it looks with this one real quick. There you go right there. Love it. Looking at the back also. So you got the front part, the front with the backs. Like I showed you at the beginning, you might want to get a hot air gun to try to fix these back parts right here. This part right here, I kind of like rushed it. I can actually take this part off and try to push it over a bit more to make it look more like this one, because this one is more clean, as you can see right there. And this one, I could just unskin it real quick and try to like just pull it a little bit over right there, which I can do real quick, and just pull it to match it. As you can see, it's just a little part right there. So let's show you how the Switch 2 actually looks with it. So this is what it looks like with the Switch 2. I love it like this, man. I just wish they had them with the textures on it. So as you can see again right there, the part where I told you with the logo, all right here. Yeah, my hand is still healing up. I still got months to go before it's fully healed. Part with the kickstand also. So like that. I mean, I love Sopiguard skins, like I said multiple times. It's just, their skins is just crazy. I love the way how they make everything. As you can see right here, just everything, got the Nintendo Switch 2 cut out, everything. It just looks good with everything. And yeah guys, this is it right here. This is what it looks like in the dock, like that. Nothing for the back. So yeah, I'm still waiting for my J-Sax Kill Switch 2 to come in the mail. So it should be out sometime in the next couple of weeks. So yeah. But yeah guys, this is Sopiguard. Everything right here. Let's actually put this in it right here, because you got to get a thumbnail like that. So that's the thumbnail. Let's push it up right about there, because we got to get that thumbnail. Alright guys, it's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod Jailbreak Hacker, only using me time marks. Remember, live it, love it, game it. Peace and deuces, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces one. I'm out this time for real. Peace.